Actually, life is all about raising the frequency of your consciousness. Fundamentally, whatever raises the intensity and frequency of your consciousness, your existence, you being alive beyond this body and mind, whatever intensifies that is right. That is spiritual practice. Whatever reduces the frequency of your consciousness is wrong. That's all. This is the essence of everything. Whether you do yoga or you apply the turmeric and take bath, you apply aushadha, or you sit in mandala process, or you meditate, you chant, anything. The only purpose of all these actions is raising the frequency of your consciousness. Means bringing the highest peak consciousness called Turyadita in your being level and in your doing level. In both, bringing Turyadita as your reality is the essence of everything. That is the purpose and essence of everything. Now I am going to intensely infuse Turyadita, the highest conscious level, in your body. Understand, in your being level. Please understand, when you are alive in the body operates as being, mind operates as doing. When you leave the body, your subtle body operates as being, the causal body operates as doing. Now, the being part is locked in your physical body. That is why so much of detoxification is recommended in Vedic tradition. So much working on the body. Now I am going to breathe the Turyadita, the space of being alive in your body. Don't worry about what your mind does. Actually, your mind is too superficial. I am going to breathe the Turyadita, the state of being alive, the experience of that oneness into your being. Your doing component does not matter. It's your being component which matters. Biomemory and muscle memory is established on your body. If your being is infused with this Turya and Turyadita, by and by, just by your breathing, this will get mixed in your doing. That is why so much of insistence on detoxification and on vegetarian food and on getting back to a natural lifestyle. First, I finished that Shuddha Sattva Tattva, the purity, the unit of purity, Sattva Tattva. That whole science was taught to Devi by Mahadeva. This chapter which I am dealing now, the Atma Tattva, the unit of consciousness, this whole 25 states of consciousness and this process and the whole meditation and the aushadha we are going to have, everything was given by Mahadeva to Subramanya. In Sarvajnanottaragama, he gave it to Subramanya, and Subramanya gave it to world. So the Guru Parampara for this part of the Agama comes down through Subramanya, from Mahadeva to Subramanya, Subramanya to all the other rishis and